Good morning, everybody, and welcome to What's Hot on the Open here at MarketStream.live. My name is Joseph Cusick with the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's take a look at all of the market opening action right now. We've got a market a little bit in a drift. The Dow Jones 30 right now is up a buck at 19,735 on the futures. Taking a look at the Russell 2000 futures, those small cap, high beta, domestically centric stocks. Right now, the Russell is up $7.10 at $1,354.40. Taking a look at the NASDAQ, up $8 at $5,072. That's up about $9.25. And taking a look at the S&P 500, up $2.25 at $2,264 even. We have dollar weakness. We actually see the dollar now testing that $100 level. It's up $100.05. Down 7 cents, and you have crude oil up 42 cents at 53.16. We're seeing some notable weakness in the bond markets. Both the 10-year and the 30-year, the long end of the curve, is in the red, so you're going to see yields popping to the upside. Let's take a look at what is moving as far as now earnings. What had earnings overnight and on the open. Taking a look at what is popping to the upside right now. Allegheny Technologies up 20%, almost 21%, trading up $3.55 on great earnings and good guidance, trading at $20.53. Taking a look at Mercury Systems. We talked about Mercury in Tech Talk last night, up 5.5%. That's $1.75. That's trading at $33.19. You have Patterson Energy up 1.63% at $26.85. You have RMD, ResMed. We talked about that one last night as well, up 10.34% at 6.57%. What has been moving to the downside on earnings? I want to take a look at this. I want to keep it updated. Taking a look at this, we are seeing Johnson & Johnson. We spoke about that in Tech Talk too, down 1.22%, missed on earnings, missed on guidance. Then healthcare stocks are getting beat up right now. I don't know if this is an opportunity to kind of take a look at buying on weakness. Remember how we're a little contrarian here at MarketStream.live. Lockheed Martin down 2.5%. It's down $6.65 at $250.83. Taking a look at Polaris, PII, for you enthusiasts that like snowmobiles, down 1.3% or $1.20 at $86.34. You're also seeing Verizon coming out now with the Yahoo deal. We don't know what's going to go on with that. Down 4.33% or down $2.27 at $50.14. So that's what we see moving post earnings and their guidance. Now, taking a look at some financial names, we had talked about Deutsche Bank in the European overnight action European market discussion at 8:45 Eastern time. Go back and check that out. But Deutsche Bank here in the States is up about 1%. You're also seeing some metals and mining stocks that are up. BHP Billiton up 3.3%. Freeport McMoRan, FCX up 3.1%. Vale, VALE up 2.8%. And Cliff Resources up 2.5%. What is moving down in the metals area is gold. Gold has been the stalwart, been moving to the upside pretty dramatically, but we're seeing the gold right now is trading. The ETF is down about GOLD about 1.4%. You're seeing Harmony Gold down about 0.8% right now. You're also seeing ABX down 0.6%. And in the silver area, you're looking at Silver Wheaton, SLW down 0.8%. What you want to keep an eye on in about 15 to 20 minutes, you're going to have the existing home sales. The expectation is somewhere around that 5.6 million units. December came in at 5.55 million. We're going to watch this very close. And bottom line is that we're seeing a pace of home sales right now that's the highest that we've seen since basically February of 2017. Let's see if actually inventory continues to shrink here. That would be good for both buyers and sellers, because that means that lenders could be pretty aggressive. And with the new standards that could be coming out with the Trump administration, we'll see. It also means for sellers that prices are going to be rising, so buyers might be more aggressive to take advantage of the lower interest rates because interest rates are on the move. We see yields actually up today. Also, watch the automakers today. President Trump is meeting with the big automakers. As a matter of fact, if you look, you'll see that the Fiat Chrysler's CEO is sitting right next to President Trump. Right now, Fiat Chrysler is actually up 4%. You're also seeing GM up 0.8%. Ford is up 0.5%. So we're going to watch this very closely, especially as we hear Trump's comments on, basically EPA standards. And Fiat's obviously in a big dispute with their potentially having somewhat like a Volkswagen situation where they had a computer simulation or a computer component in there which was not basically meeting EPA standards as far as emission standards. So we're going to watch this one very closely for the automakers. So that's it right now for the opening bell. Join me at 1:30 Eastern Time, 12:30 Central Time. I'm going to be looking at all the midday action. We'll cover all of the first 4 hours of action. We'll also wrap up Europe so you'll get a firm understanding of what's going on. You're going to be able to make better trading and investing decisions. And you can only hear it here at MarketStream.live. See you then.